you're starting with zero money, no business, no crypto, no rich parents, this video is for you. Most people think wealth only comes from starting a business or hitting it big with crypto. That's wrong. Some of the most financially free people in the world built wealth quietly, using a simple system that almost nobody talks about. Watch this till the end. Because the final rule is the difference between staying broke and building real wealth. First, let's clear something up. Wealth is not about how much money you make. It's about control. Control over your time. Control over your choices. Control over your future. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, your problem isn't your salary. Your problem is your system. And today, we fix the system. The first rule of building wealth from zero is mindset. Poor thinking focuses on expenses. Wealthy thinking focuses on decisions. If you increase your income but keep the same habits, you'll stay broke at a higher level. Wealthy people delay pleasure. They think long-term. They make money work for them instead of spending it emotionally. Money should be your employee, not your boss. Now let's talk about jobs. A job is not the enemy. A job is the starting weapon. A job gives you predictable income, low risk, and a platform to grow. The mistake most people make is using their job only to survive. Smart people use their job to buy skills. They don't upgrade lifestyle first. They upgrade value. If you don't want a business, skills become your business. High-income skills include data and Excel skills, digital marketing, video editing, copywriting, AI tools, finance and analysis. These skills don't require capital. They require focus. The faster you increase your skills, the faster your income grows. Income growth is the engine of wealth. Saving alone won't make you wealthy. Saving protects money. Investing multiplies it. You don't need crypto to invest. Long-term, term. Boring investments beat risky bets. Index funds, retirement accounts, diversified portfolios. The rule is simple. Pay yourself first. Even if it's just 10%. Consistency beats intensity every time. One of the biggest wealth killers is lifestyle inflation. As income goes up, expenses go up faster. New car, new phone, more subscriptions. Wealthy people don't try to look rich. They try to become free. They keep expenses controlled and direct extra money into assets. Here's the rule most people ignore. Time is the real currency. If you invest your time today in skills, systems, and discipline, your future works for you. If you waste time chasing comfort, you'll spend your future chasing money. Wealth is built slowly. Then it shows up all at once. If you're starting from zero, this isn't a disadvantage. It's an advantage. You have no bad habits to unlearn, no ego to protect, no lifestyle to maintain. Build the system. Stay patient. Let time do the heavy lifting. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe for practical finance content, and share this with someone who's starting from zero. Because real wealth isn't loud. It's built quietly.